This is Just in Case of AmericaNewscape, welcoming back Sarah Wisdom with a new segment of Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Please tell us what's happening.
Hello, great to see everybody again this week. I've got some great news as far as ebooks this week. Exciting news on Overdrive. We've had two more library districts join our consortium on Overdrive, and what that means is with your Yuma County Library card, you can borrow from multiple library systems. So we want to welcome Apache County and Flagstaff City, Coconino County to our consortium. That means you have a better chance of getting materials that you're looking for. Maybe if our copy is checked out, another library has it, and vice versa. We've seen a lot of activity, a lot of borrowers from other parts of the state. So it's a terrific reciprocal program that we're so pleased to be a part of. The other thing I want to let you know, speaking of Overdrive, is that they have taken over all the ebooks and audiobooks that were originally available through RBdigital. So RBdigital is still going to offer things like comic books, e-magazines, and some streaming media, but all the ebooks and audiobooks that they had have moved over to Overdrive. So hopefully that makes it even easier for you to find. It's one less app to visit. You can just use Overdrive or their Libby app to access all those titles. Last but not least, we've been talking about library cards, and September is traditionally library card sign up month, and we'd be doing a big campaign to have people come in and sign up for library cards. Of course, we can't do that right now, and we're not issuing physical library cards right now, but you can still sign up for an e-card. Visit yumalibrary.org and click on online registration at the top of the page. You'll fill out a brief form that's basically your name, some contact information, an email address. You'll be sent an e-library card number to verify, and once you have that, you will instantly have access to all our digital collections. And that includes the ebooks and e-audiobooks I was just speaking about, the streaming media, as well as all our online resources, research databases, things like Consumer Reports, Creative Bug, Canopy Movies, just everything that is on our website will be accessible to you.
Well, we need to be fair, we need to warn people. When I got my e-card and I went into the portal, I spent absolutely hours. I was fascinated at all the things that were available. I read magazines I hadn't read in years. It is a very, very cool program for people.
It is, and I think that people either kind of breeze over that resource page because there's so many things listed, or they just don't know. And there are so many resources. I think when we updated our list this summer, I think we counted over 60 resources that we have online. And that's everything from those magazines to streaming movies, music, ebooks, e-audiobooks, things like Consumer Reports, artist works where you could take guitar or piano lessons digitally. There's just something for everybody.
Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Well, I could talk about it all day, but I better not. Th- this has been Just in Case and Sarah sharing a glimpse into Yuma County Library happenings. Additional info is in this video's Read More. Thanks for joining us. Please remember to support your local library, librarians, and their staffs, and consider subscribing to this channel.